of organic matter.
Basta, nagbasa pa. Sige, nagbasa. That English.
Sing surgery, for example, as a treatment for neuralgia.
Oh, neuralgia.
Nagatintog na.
Neuralgia.
Ato na.
Of a cycle of chemical.
Basta ako magnanayo na ya. Nagbasa-basa kayo ya.
Atmosphere.
Na puro cellphone. Ya.
When
Siya po,
atmospheric
natsuruan nyo kita at tingin nyo ako magbasa nung ka.
compounded
Okay.
colorless, odorless,
Tana po. Sursuro magbasa ti English sa ading ko ako.
very small quantity
Adya bunso.
in the air
Ba?
and
Kaya nalalagay tagbasa ka ng English natin ha.
when electricity is passed through it.
Kaya ka ulit dito ko sa
Neoplasm, an abnormal new growth of tissue in animals or plants. Tumor which
Basta, sursuro nyo
can
tagbasa.
be benign,
Sika, nagbasa ka mate.
or
Kailangan puro cellphone.
neoteny, the existence of
Kasi tinagagit nagbasa pa ako.
juvenile
So, lang tagbasa
features
at English.
in an adult animal. For example, the retention of gills or
English, Chinese ko ma. Dam. English, Chinese ko ma.
Aha, narigat basahin adi Chinese ah.
Ayun, ayaw ko sa mon.
Itan na kon.
Pakitaan kayo namin stop.
Nagyan mo sa mata.
Non-stop ka nun ni ikot.
Oo. Ha?
Non-stop.
Oo, sige magbasa ka raw. Ano, pinasikat yung mga nagkadeng. May isa po ti konti ako.
Neoplasm, an abnormal new growth of tissue in animals or plant. A tumor which can be benign, benign or
Begin!
malignant. Benign
Benign no, benign.
neon.
Oh, literal out.
Chemical element used in laser and glass that is one
Sala medyo
of the
nagbasa ako nga. In the bininging.
series or
Okay.
earth element.
Oh, siya Adam.
Manis.
Oh.
Next.
Oh.
Ito
Pinasikat yung duwa ako. Apo.
A
Nagbasa.
silvery radioactivate metallic chemical element found in small amounts in uranium ores. Nerve, a bundle of fibers forming a
Oh.
network that
Saki,
transmit
agbulbululak
message
na
in the
basa ka.
forms of
Between.
impulses between the brain or spinal cord and the body's organs. Nerve impulse, message carried throughout the body by nerves. Nervous breakdown, a non-medical term used to describe a sudden attack of mental illness such as depression or
Anxiety.
Nervous system, the system of cells, tissues, and organs that regulate
Organs.
organs pa yata.
Orgas ko sa natin.
Organs that regulates the body's responses to internal and external
Ito, masayang.
stimuli in
Science dictionary.
regulates it. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, nerves, ganglia, and parts of the ganglia and parts of the receptor and affect organs. Nest and structure that birds and other animals such as mice build to shelter themselves and their young. Network, a system of computers interconnected in telephones, wires, or other means in order to
Study ka. Nag-grade mo na, Dam?
5.
5. Tsaka idiki, grade 4 rock pala idiki, talagang magbasa English ay.
Consisting of a group of broadcasting station that all transmit the same programs.
Neuralgia.
Neuralgia. Intermittent.
Neuralgia.
Neuralgia. Agar lang. Neuralgia.
O ata and
Intermittent.
Intermedia.
Intermittent and often severe pain in a part of the body
Oh.
that
Shout it
a
out.
particular nerve runs through.
Okay. Tapos apa ta?
neurectomy.
Ah.
The removal of part of a nerve using surgery, for example, as a treatment for neuralgia.
Oh, neuralgia.
Nagatintog na.
Neuralgia.
Ato na.
Ayun na. Neo.
Neurogenetics.
Neurogenetics.
The branch of medicine that studies the genetic influence involved in neurological disorder.
Aba. Nagred man?
Grade 8.
Nagred 8. Oh, Shadam.
Neutral or relating to a particle, an object, or a system that
90% ka na, Adam. 80%.
has neither positive nor negative electric charge. Neutralization, a chemical reaction in which an acid and a base interact with the formation of a salt with strong acid and bases. The
Initial.
essential reaction is the combination of hydrogen ions with hydroxyl ions to form water.
Hydroxyl sada? Hydroxyl?
Ayun. Neutralize to cause an acid or base undergo neutralize in medicine to counteract the effect of a drug or toxin. Neutron, an uncharged elementary particle that has a mass nearly equal to that of the proton and is present in all known atomic nuclei except the hydrogen
Nucleus ata?
nucleus. Neutrophil.
Ano sa umat?
Referring
Kawan? Ano bantaan? Dan?
neutron
Neutrophil?
when referring to
Boleh kagak?
video
Referring to white blood cells. Ano to eh? Leukocyte?
Leukocyte
Contain granules that do not stain with either
acid or
acid or basic dyes. Newton, so na to eh? EBBR, and the unit of force in the metric system equal to the force required
required
required to impact and acceleration
acceleration
1 meter per seconds to mass of 1 kilogram. Nickel and a hard silvery white metallic element that are resistant to corrosion and used in alloy batteries, electroplating, and as medyo bulol-bulol mga bahasa English. As a catalyst. Oh. Nimbus. Kaya na siya mo ate. Kasi mo talaga sa. Oh. Tama tayo. Nimbus array in cloud that is kaya pakita naman asa.
sige
Of uniform grayness and extend over the entire sky. Niobium
when
NB
niobium
Alustros bata? Light gray ductile metallic mechanical element superconductor resemble tantalium bata? Tantalium chemical and used in steel alloys nitration,
Nitration.
a general chemical process for the introduction of a nitro group in a chemical compound,
Compound.
like the
Conversion of
glycerin to nitroglycerin, and the conversion of toluenes,
toluene.
toluenes to
Toluene.
nitrotoluenes. But conversion use nitric acid and sulfur acid.
Sulfur.
Mabulbulok talaga basa na to.
Grade 6.
Tsaka po kay grade 6 may tinalpas ko.
Gana grade 6.
Grade 6 lang. Gargarigatak na talaga dyan nga ilipas na grade 6. So nga di pinagbasak to English. Ang buo. Tapos bulol-bulolak pa eh. Tanatam.
Ha? Sika. Nitrification.
Nitrification, the biological
Oxidation
of ammonia with oxygen into nitrate, followed by the oxidation
Of these
oxidation of these nitrates into nitrates. Ano ba pinagkaiba natin?
nitrites.
Nitrogen and a colorless odorless gaseous element that constitutes about
constitute
4/5 of the volume of the atmosphere and the percent in combined for animal and vegetable tissues. Siya kalay kagbasa pa mabulbulula lang. Kita dingkaw. So damay.
Next item. Nitrogen cycle. The circulation of nitrogen in nature consisting of a cycle of chemical
Sa magnanayon na ya. Nagbasa-basa kayo ya.
atmosphere.
Nga puro cellphone. Ya.
Atmospheric
Siya po natsuruan nyo kita ding nyo api magbasa no ka.
compounded
Noon lang puro cellphone.
and
Kita surutin tayo so dapat basa tayo. Idubiyak ka na.
is
Agsangit ak pwede ako basahin ni mama.
related and
Metabolism.
metabolized by bacteria and plants, eventually
Ang tayo ni mama po
returning to
Narami tikang kanon.
atmosphere in bacteria decomposing of organic matter.
Basta nagbasa pa. Siya tigbasa. That English.